guys, this is Darling Joan here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix butter slime, Play-Doh, something squishy and a little stretchy and smooth. So I'm using my butter slime. To fix it, you're gonna wanna put it in a container first, and you're gonna get any type of lotion. Like I'm using this one, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's lotion. Then you're gonna squeeze some in here. Just like this. Fold it in half. Then start playing around with it in your hands. Yes, it's gonna get messy, but it's definitely worth it at the end. So you're gonna keep doing that. And it doesn't matter if you add too much, because it's not gonna hurt it. I do this all the time every day because mine gets hard. So this definitely works, like 100% of the time. At least for me it does. Definitely for butter slime. Maybe Play-Doh. I don't know, as long as it's not like rock hard. But I recommend trying it with a little bit of Play-Doh first, because I don't know for sure. I know it works for butter slime. So, maybe homemade Play-Doh. So, just keep mixing it around with your hands until it's done. And if you think it's like super close to being done, which mine is not, it's still sticky, so you would roll it up into a ball, just like this. And you go like this, and it should be pretty much done. But mine is not that close yet. It's getting close. Okay, mine's almost done. Okay, now I think I can roll mine up in a ball now. Yeah, mine's like pretty much done. And then that should have fixed your butter slime, whatever you used. Oops. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on the notifications, and comment Disney Squad. And the winner of the squad gets a subscription to our channel and likes to their latest 3 videos. So have a great day.